Hey guys, so here we go. So oops, let's make sure I have my line. Okay, so let's look at number 7. So it says a small plane is flying at a speed of 180 miles per hour at a bearing of north 50 degrees east. Okay, so let's get this thing into an angle measure. So we're going to go north, then east. Okay, so we know that this is 50. I am touching the 90 degrees. Okay, so I know that this does not go through 90. I'm short, so we're going to subtract. Oops. We're going to subtract 50 to get 40. Okay, so what I'm going to do is ignore this, and we get 40 degrees. And we're at 180. Okay, so what we're going to do is calculate our x value. That should not be an angle. 180, make sure I'm right, cosine of 40, and y equals 180 sine of 40. Okay, so here we go. Clear, 180 cosine 40. I get 137.9. 180 sine of 40. 115.7. Okay. Now, the second sentence says the wind is blowing due west. Okay, we need to be very careful, because y'all know you like to drop those negatives. Okay, so here I know x is not 40, but negative 40. So we want to be careful of that. And then y is 0. Okay, so here we go. We're going to add our x's. 137.9. So 137.9 minus 40. Where's my pen? So 97.9. And my y value, 115.7 plus 0 equals 115.7. Okay, let's see if I can, oops. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to go find the magnitude. Okay. 97.9 squared plus 115.7 squared. Okay, 6.9 squared plus 115.7 squared. And I get 151.6. Okay, let me move this down. Oh, I can do it this way. Okay, and then last but not least, we got to find our angle. Okay, so if I look right here, they're both positive. We're in quadrant 1, so we keep. So inverse tangent. Okay, y over x. So inverse tangent, 15.7 divided by 97.9. And I get 49.8 degrees. Okay, that was fun. Okay, now let's do number 8. Okay, a plane has a velocity of 580 miles per hour headed in the direction of north 58 degrees west. Okay, so here we go. North, west. Okay, so I'm touching the 90. I go past it, so we're going to add it and get 58. So we get 148. And just make sure of myself, because I'm here with Elaine. We're having fun. You want to say hello to everybody, Helene? I am tape recording. I'm talking to my people. Cosine of 148 degrees. And then y equals 580 degrees. Okay, oops, sorry about that. Okay, so here we go. I gotta tap somewhere else. Okay, so 580 cosine 148, and I get negative 40. Okay, I'm not saying it right. I'm writing it right. 9 and 580 sine of 148. 307.4. Okay, on here. Okay, so we're in x negative. So don't forget, we're going to have to add 180. Okay, so we're going to add our. Oh! I made a boo-boo. I'm not finished. We have a second one. So this one is saying, what is it? West 45 degrees south. So we're going to go west, then south. Okay, so here we go. We're touching 180 degrees. We're going past 45. So that would be 225. Okay. So new x values. X equals, what was that number again? 60 cosine 225. And I get negative 42.4. And y equals cosine, 60 sine, so sorry, 225. So 60 sine 225. And we'll get the same answer. Okay. So now, we're going to add our x's. Negative 491.9 plus a negative 42.4. So 491. I got negative 534.3, and y equals 307 plus a negative 42.4. And I get 265. Okay, so now we'll look at the where we are. So negative, positive. So we're in quadrant 2. We're going to add 180 degrees. Okay. I'm going to ignore everything else. So here we go. Magnitude. Negative 534.3 squared plus 265 squared. Okay. And I get 596.4. Okay. And then we've got to find our angle. So inverse tangent, 265 over negative 534.3. Okay, plus 180. So inverse tangent, 265 divided by negative 534.3, and don't forget the plus 180, and I get 153.6 degrees. Okay, I hope this has helped you. I'll see you in the next problems.